Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In this video, I am going to discuss how to upload any Shapefile for work in Google Earth Engine. You need to select Asset, and here you can see New, Add a Project. Click on New, and I want to upload Shapefile, so I am clicking on Shapefile. And for Shapefile uploading, you need to upload this type of files: .shp, .shx, .dbf, .prj, or zip. You can upload all these four files or zip. So it will be better if you want to upload zip file within a single file. You can upload. So I'm clicking on save file, and now I'm selecting. I want to upload zip file. Here, see that India Districts Administration, and this is the zip file extension. I'm selecting it, and then open, and you can see you can delete also and upload again, select again, but I'm not doing so, and I'm clicking on upload. Refresh asset code. Yeah, see that it is uploaded. I want to click on it and see that this is the interface. You can edit also. Here you can edit, edit description, features, properties, etc. And this is the table ID link. Okay, you can you need to paste this table ID link, and I want to import this. If you want to see in the map interface, then you need to write the script as map. This is the actual code, and you need to run it. This is the shape file which I uploaded.